Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn money with affiliate program on Robinhood. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download the Robinhood application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and actually sign in to create your account. That's if you don't have an account. If you do have your account, just go log in into your account and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So as you can see here, for me, they're asking me to enter my pin because the second time you enter this application, they'll actually ask you to set your pin. So for me, my pin is just here for zeros. Let me just go type that, and as you can see here, they actually takes me into the home or the main screen of a Robinhood application. So here, all I need to do, of course, is verify your account by adding some funds to your account. For me, I didn't add some funds because I don't want to. So if you want actually to follow this tutorial or to start even using the application, you would like to get verified. So first of all, how to get a Robinhood affiliate link. So let me just tell you that as an additional information about Robinhood affiliate program. If you are already have an account with Impulse Radius, you can actually send an email to creators@robinhood.com and they will give you an offer through the platform, and you will be able to start earn money with affiliate program. Of course, if you do not have already an account with Impact Radius, you can just create one on wecantrack.com/programs/Robinhood affiliate, and you actually can start earning money with affiliate programs. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.